What up, it's Warchief, and today we're going to talk about macro today we're going to talk about macro controls and if you should use them or how to use them, how to set them up and stuff. So let's get into it, and make sure to leave a like if you like this video. All right, let's get into it. All right, right here I have a hollow stab loop I just found in my library, and I'll let you listen to it. Pretty simple. It's just pretty cool pattern. Actually, I really like that sound too. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some effects on it. Let's put like a filter. Let's go into here and get us a ping pong delay. On Tuesday on my Instagram and Facebook, I posted a like a minute quick tip video of using the macro, how to set it up. On this video, it's going to be a little bit more in depth. So we have a filter and ping pong delay. Let's turn these off, and then we are going to group them. Command G to group. On the group right here, you'll see these tags. The very bottom one, it shows your effects. The middle one, it shows your chain. You can duplicate and layer your sound. And then the very top one, well, the very top one is turn on and off the group, but the one below that is the macro control. And to set up macros, you're going to want to press map, and everything will turn green, and you will map filter or your envelope to what macro you want. So let's do the on and off for that device, and then the on and off for the ping pong delay for the second device. Then we're going to do the filter. So let's do 3 for, let's do up and down. The bottom one will be the filter, and then the feedback will be underneath the on and on for the ping pong delay. And then what else? Dry and wet. Let's make sure the second one is always the ping pong delay. We're not going to do a bunch. You only get 8. I don't know how to get more. If you can get more, I don't really know if you can, but that's all I know of right now. So this will be the dry wet. And then let's pick for fun, let's pick the different filters right there. It will go through all of them when you mess with the knob. That'll be the filter type. Yeah, filter type, that's what it's called. And then let's see, we will, oh yeah, we'll use 8 for the beat delays, and then we will use, let's do one more, the phase on this one, map that. Okay, so that's all set up, and then right here you'll see above it where you can actually control it more. So like 64 to 127. So this is the device on. This is the auto filter on. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put, actually let's put it to 30. Let's put it to 30. Let's put this one to 32. And then test them. Let's turn off the mapping, and then when it gets to 30, it will activate and turn on. So when it gets to 30, it will activate and turn on. All right, let's go back to map, and then ping pong delay. I don't want it to start at 0, so let's make it start at 30, and I don't want it to go to 100. I want it to go to like 70, the max to 70. let's just mess with the parameters, see what we get. The feedback, let's do the same thing, 30. Actually, you can type this in also. And then this to 70. And the filter type, obviously can't do nothing with that. And then the frequency, let's do 150 hertz. And this we will do 10,000 hertz. And then the LFO phase, let's go to, let's put it to 20 degrees, it looks like. And then to 200. All right, now we got everything set up. You saw how that works. You just mapped them, and then you map them, and then you can set your percentage from the beginning, the minimum to the max, as it says right here. This will tell you what effect it is, and then this is the name of what you're affecting. So it's pretty cool. I really like it how it sets it up like that. Ableton's really unique like that. Okay, turn off map. Let's get a loop. Let's loop this. That's 8 bars. Yeah, 8 bars. Let's loop it, and then let's mess around. Let's not turn them on. Let's mess around with everything else, and then turn them on. So we're going to. Didn't loop. What's going on? I keep messing with the device on and off, but it does nothing but turn it on and off. I don't know why I'm doing that. It's like a DJ. He's like, oh yeah, this is going to look cool. And he's not doing anything. He's just turning a knob. I don't know why I'm doing that. I shouldn't be doing that. But anyway, you can tell that it's affect the effects. So this is just an example. You can also record in. So let's leave on this device. Okay, we're going to record it in. Make sure you have an audio track armed, and we're going to make a new loop and record it in and see how it sounds. Okay, let's do that. Click this, click record, and then we're going to click back onto the other audio real fast, and then we'll press record. I don't know why that's on master. I probably changed it at some point. All right. And that sounds pretty cool. And instead of going in and doing it on the effect itself, you can actually just do it with the macros mapping that you made. It's pretty cool. And I like that how when you record it in, it gives you, I think it's in mono, that's why, but it gives you a really big wave file. Let's listen to it. It's probably really loud. Sounds pretty cool. Sounds pretty dope. So that's how you use macro controls. Probably wasn't the best example, but I don't ever seen anybody talk about this, and I just want to help people understand it better. But there's a bunch you can do. I'll show you another one real fast. Found it. This is it. It's just called 808. I don't know why I have all those other ones made. But yeah, I macro controlled the 8 main things that I would change in this chain right here. I have tight kick, saturation. I have 2 saturations, 1 and 2. I have EQ. I have them already set up with where the Q point is. I just changed the frequencies. I have those macro controlled. And then the decay for the 808 is another one that I have set up. So, and it is completely down, and if I turn decay up, just mess with them a little bit. And that's another example. Like I said, it's not the best example, but I just wanted to show you how the macro controls worked. And I really like it. And there's a way, I don't know for sure how to do it, to record in your automation. But I usually don't record automation. I usually just record the whole audio file. I do not like looking at MIDI clips. So that's why I do that like that. That's just my personal preference. People are different. People like have nothing but MIDI. I like to have, I'll have MIDI and then I'll bounce it down to audio. As soon as I like that final, it's not final result, but as soon as I'm getting something, I'll just bounce it down to audio. It sounds pretty dope and it's really pretty cool. All right. And that's it. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like the video if you like it, and comment below telling me about your setup with the macro, or how you use your macro controls, or any tips to help me out. That would be appreciated. And I have a new song up called Neo Tokyo on SoundCloud. Check that out. And I will check you guys later. I will see you later. See ya. Bye.